guys, thank you so much for taking some time to watch this video. I really appreciate your support. I look forward to making more videos and showing people exactly how to get started here in real estate and how to change your life through making some passive income and getting that time freedom back. And if you don't mind hitting that like button for the YouTube algorithm, commenting and subscribing, I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Look forward to seeing you next time. That's it right there. That right here is a picture of the apartment that I drove by. I'm going to look and see who the owners are. We see that the owners are right here. Do this exact same thing 4 more times today. I'd like to make 20 to 25 contacts per week, but you've got to be consistent, and that's how it's done. What the heck am I doing down in this dungy crawl space on New Year's Day? And before I go too much further, I want you to see this. This is, well, let's just pull out a piece. So this is an old wasp nest or bee's nest, okay? They came in, you can see where they came in, actually. See that? That's where they came in. Isn't that wild? So they came in and made their little, actually this is the outside of a hornet's nest, I believe. Because you can kind of see. Pull this back a little bit. Yeah. Oh wow. Look at that. Can you see?